Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 6 and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is playing with numbers. And now we are proceeding I think the last exercise of this chapter, that is 3.7. In 3.7 also we have completed the questions up to 8. So today we will discuss question number 9. As I told you that whenever you are watching the videos, you are supposed to have your textbook with you, so that you can also read the question and you can also understand that what information is given in the question. So open your book and read question number 9. I will also read for you. Question number 9 is, find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32, which is divisible by these numbers. We have to find the smallest 4-digit number. So first of all we will find the number which is exactly divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So we have to find first of all the LCM of 18, 24 and 32. 18, 24 and 32. So the LCM, we will use the simplest method, that is the division method. 18, 24 and 32. We will divide these numbers. We will start with 2. 2 9 ja 18, 2 12 ja 24 and 2 16 ja 32. Again some of the numbers can be divided by 2. If a single number is also divisible, then we are supposed to divide, keep dividing. 2 9 doesn't come in the table though, 9 will be same. 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, again 2 9 same, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, again 2 9, 3 cannot be divided, 2 2 ja 4, again 2 9 is same, 3 2 1 ja 2. Now 9, 3 and 1 doesn't come in the table of 2, so we will move towards the next number, that is 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3 and 1. At last we got 3 1 1 1. When we get 1 1 1 in the bottom line, then we can calculate the LCM by multiplying these numbers. So the LCM will be 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 2, 1 2 3 4 5 times 2, then 2 times 3. So we have to multiply that. 3 3 are 9, 9 2 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 36 2 ja 72, 72 2 ja 144, 144 2 ja 288. So 288 is the LCM of 18, 24 and 32. What does it mean? It means that 288 is exactly divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Exactly divisible means the remainder will be 0 when we divide 288 by 18 or 24 or 32. But the question is not that to find the LCM of these three number. Question is find the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. So we want 4-digit number. This is only 3-digit number. So what we will do? We will multiply this 288 into 2, then 288 into 3, 288 into 4. So we will see that 288 into 2, that will be 576, and 288 multiplied by 3, that will be 864, and 288 multiplied by 4, that will be 1152. Okay, so this we got after multiplying. So after multiplying we are seeing that When we multiply by 2, we get the 3-digit number. When we multiply by 3, still we get the 3-digit number. But when we multiply by 4, we get the 4-digit number. So this is the required answer. So we can write the answer in the language that 1152 is the smallest 4-digit number. Exactly divisible by 18, 24 and 32. We have to proceed such type of questions like that. If we have to find the smallest 3-digit number or largest 4-digit number or whatsoever it is, so first of all we are supposed to find the number which is exactly divisible by the given numbers. As in this question we found first of all the number that is 288. 288 is exactly divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Then we are supposed to find the 4-digit number. So but this is the 3-digit number, so we will keep multiplying by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until we get the 4-digit number. We multiply by 2, we got the 3-digit number. We multiply by 3, still we got the 3-digit number. We multiply by 4, at that time only we got the 4-digit number. So that's why this is the smallest 4-digit number which can be exactly divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So this was question number 9. At the same time, as I am rubbing the board, you are supposed to go through the question number 10. You should read that question carefully. So the question number 10 is, find the LCM of following numbers. So the numbers are, first part 9 and 4, 9 and 4. Second is 12 and 5, 12 and 5. Third one is 6 and 5, 5. And the last one, that is fourth one, is 15 and 4. So we have to find the LCM. So we will find the LCM of 4, 9 like this. We will divide 2 2 ja 4, 9 ja 9 cannot be divided by 2. That's why 2 again, 2 1 ja 2, 9 will be same. And again 3, 3 3 ja 9, then again 3, 1 1. So here the LCM is 2 2 3 3. Here again we have to find the LCM of 5 and 12. So we will start divide by 2. 5 will be same, 2 6 ja 12, 2 5, 2 3 ja 6, 3 5, 3 1 ja 3, again 5, 5 1 ja 5 and 1. We got the 1 1. Here 5 6. Again we will start with 2. 2 3 ja 6, 3 5 will be same, 3 1 ja 3, and again 5 1 ja 5 and 1. Here 4 15, 2 2 ja 4, 15 will be same, 2 1 ja 2, 15 will be there, 15 comes in the table of 3, 3 5 ja 15, then again we will get 1 1. Now we have to find the LCM. LCM here will be 3 3 are 9, 9 2 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36. Here first of all we have to write the LCM. LCM will be 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Here LCM will be 2 into 3 into 5. Here the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So here the LCM will be 5 3 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 30 2 ja 60. Here 5 0 15, 15 2 ja 30. Here again 5 0 15, 15 2 ja 30, 30 2 ja 60. We got the LCM. But whether we are seeing any connection or whether we are getting any pattern here, so we are getting that 9 4 ja 36, 12 5 ja 60, 6 5 ja 30, 15 4 ja 60, means LCM of these pair of numbers actually is the product of them. उनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें LCM मिल रहा है. Why it is so? Because if you observe the numbers carefully, you will see that all these pairs are co-primes. सारे के सारे नंबर हमारे co-prime है. 9 and 4 having only one common factor, that is 1. 12 and 5 are having only one common factor, that is 1. And 6, 5 also having one common factor, that is 1. At the same time 15 and 4 are having 1 as their common factor. If the numbers are co-prime, then their LCM will be their product. That will be the bottom line. All these pairs are co-prime, hence LCM of co-primes is their product always. Means if co-prime numbers are given, then if you want to calculate the LCM, then we can directly multiply them. Their product will be the LCM. That is the question number 10. So as I am rubbing the board, you can go through the next question, that is question number 11. Question number 11 is find the LCM in the following numbers. That is question number 11, and again 4 parts are given there. First one is A. In A, that is 5, 20. B, that is 6, 18. And C, that is 12, 48. And D is 9, 45. We have to find the LCM. So first of all, we will find the LCM. 5, 20. We will start with 2. 10 ja 2, 5 ja 5, 1, 1. So the LCM 2, 2, 5. Here 6, 18. We will start dividing with 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 9 ja 18. Then 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Then again 3. Then LCM will be 2, 3, 3. Here 12, 45. Again we will start with 2. 2 6 ja 12, and 45 will be there. Then again 2. 2 3 ja 6, 45. Now by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 15, and 3. Again by 5. That is actually not 12, 45. That is 12, 48. That's why this we have to rub it again, and we are supposed to complete that LCM. We are supposed to find the LCM again, because that number is 12, 48. 12, 48. So again we have to start. 2 6 ja 2 3 ja again 2 4 ja, and 2 2 ja, and again by 3, that comes 1 comma 1. Here comes 6. Some mistake is there, we are supposed to calculate again. So again we should start. 2 6 ja 12, 2 24 ja 48, 2 3 ja 6, 2 12 ja 24, 2 3 comes like this, 2 6 ja 12. Now 2 3 comma 3. Now we have to divide by 3 1 comma 1. So the LCM will be 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. Here 9 comma 45. 9 and 45 doesn't come in the table of 2, so we will start with 3. Then 5, and the LCM will be 3 comma 3 comma 5. Now we have to calculate the LCM. LCM will be here 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20. Here 3 3 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. Here 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48. Then here 5 3 15, 15 3 ja 45. So here we can observe one pattern, that is here the LCM of 5 and 20 is 20, and here the LCM of 6 and 18 is 18. Here the LCM of 12 and 48 is 48. Here 9 and 45 is 45. So we can say when two numbers are given in which the larger number is a multiple of the smaller number, or we can say the smaller number is the factor of the larger number, then the larger number will be the LCM. Here 5 is a factor of 20, so 20 is the LCM. Here 6 is a factor of 18, so 18 is the LCM. Here 12 is the factor of 48, so 48 is the LCM. Here 9 is a factor of 45, so 45 is the LCM. So this is the bottom line. If two numbers are given in which the smaller number is the factor of the larger number, then larger number will be the LCM of those two numbers. I hope that you have understood such type of questions, and you will now you can be able to solve all the question out of this chapter, as the chapter is also over. So I hope that you will complete the chapter in your rough notebook. You are not supposed to copy anything in your fair notebook, and if you are facing any kind of problem, or if you are having any kind of doubt, then you can message us, or you can even call us. We will try our level best to rectify your problems, so that you can easily solve out the questions given in your textbook. After completing the questions, you are supposed to take the pic of that, and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.